In psychology, there's a well-known concept called the curse of knowledge. It refers to the tendency people have, once they understand something deeply, to assume that others must understand it too. But in reality, that's rarely the case. It might sound funny at first, but it happens all the time. A software engineer might get frustrated when users don't understand a simple feature. A doctor might lose patience when a patient keeps asking how to take their medication. And sometimes, the most brilliant teachers are the ones who accidentally make their students feel the most inadequate, because they assume the lesson is so easy that everyone should get it. Picture an architect, passionate about his work, explaining the design of a house. When the listener seems confused, he insists, "This is easy. Don't you see? It's just like this." But for the other person, it's a completely foreign language. What feels simple to the expert is often just an illusion, something that only feels obvious inside the expert's mind. What's more intriguing is that this curse doesn't just show up in academic or technical fields, it shows up emotionally too. If you've spent years thinking deeply about your life, gone through hardships, and learned to understand yourself, you might assume others should also understand you on that level. That assumption can hurt. When you share something personal, something that feels honest and profound to you, and the other person misunderstands it, or worse, brushes it off, you feel offended. Not because of what they said, but because it feels like your very self was dismissed. That's why deep thinkers often feel misunderstood. The more you know yourself, the harder it becomes to find someone who truly sees you. Meanwhile, those who live more simply, who don't overanalyze themselves or their relationships, tend to forgive more easily, move on faster, and live lighter. And so, life gives us a choice: live deeply and risk being misunderstood, or live lightly and stay a little more at peace. There's no perfect answer, but if you must hurt, let it be because you lived truthfully, deeply, and with full awareness of who you are.